Hello friend, in this video I will show you how we can set up the app, uh, including all the custom app that you may have in this pricing page. Yeah. So you can see this is the results. So let's begin. First of all, we go to the sales app in the product. So as you can see here, this is a free configure product. So let me show you first of what we have in here, so you understand how the application user is about. So this is all the modules, and also we have one particular product for the user. So this is the user. This is already created by the system when we install the modules. So the app category is saas user. And if you want to change the user right, you can change this here. And my advice to you is do not delete this product. Otherwise, you have to recreate it. It's quick, maybe difficult. So in this product, you will see this is a service type product, and this is a checkbox can be user and app. And also in here, you will see we have the required product, which means the dependency. We only mention the dependency that we intended to sell. If we not include any dependency, the system still can be able to install the app, and it will install all the dependency. So dependency is the way we calculate the price for a product. Let me give you an example so you understand how the dependency works. So let's say the CRM app is require the calendar, the contact, and the mail. So you can see here in the website, if I select the CM, you will see the three other product is selected as well. So this is how we do the calculation on the total pricing. So in order to get to the CM, the customer need to buy their three more app. So the total four app. So that is how we calculate the app that depending on each other. However, the CM app actually is dependent a lot more app, not only three app. Let me show you how the CM dependency it look like. So let me go to the app, the application. First of all, you need to turn on the um, developer mode in order to see all the app, and also to see this live is a technical name. Let me show you how. So you go to the setting, you go to the active developer mode here, and do the active developer mode. In the Udo 18 and above, you will not need to do it, but I show you this because there are a lower version of Udo. So you can see here when we have the developer mode on, you will see there are this field. This field is the technical name. It will become handy later on. So let me go to the CM app here. Go to the module info. You will see here in the technical data. You will see it depends on multiple modules, but we only mention some of them because we just want to sell some of them, not want to sell some other small modules. So if we don't want to sell it, and we no need to mention on the dependency. Okay. The second thing I want you to take a note. This is a technical name. This is very important later on. So you can see here, for example, the sales app. The technical name is the sales management, not the sales. you can see here, if you go to the module info, you can see the technical name is the sales management, and the technical data saying that the sales app is depending on the sales and the digest app. So this is how it's dependent to each other. Okay, so when you know the technical name and the dependency, you now can set up the app. So let's say this is some of the app. This is one is a new app that we developed. We will first of all we will take the image. We save the image uh, here, and then we go to the sales app again. Go to the product, and we create a new product. We can call it the same name or different name. Let's say we call it the contract. So you can see now I'm creating a new product. This is the contract management, and I will upload the icon that we take it from the app menus before. We make it as a service, and after we check this box in the sales tab, we will see some other information. You can see here, if I not select the app, here we don't have the SaaS information. You check the app, and we have some more information here. So this is the technical name. You can see the technical name here is the contract. Yeah, this is a technical name, and here is the app category. So let me show you first on how the app category it look like. We go to website again here. So you can see here, this is the category of the app. See, we already define some of the category by default. However, you can still have define your own category. So let's say if the contract, it can be sales and can be purchase. Yeah, the contract is applicable for both the sale and the purchase, but we can make it fall into the maybe accounting. Okay, let me put this at the accounting category. So back to the contract here, we put it at the accounting category. So if you want to create more category, you can create the category in here, or you can select the here to see the category. You can see here we have a sequence here and some description, but just for different purpose. So the sequence here define on how the category will be moving up and down in the list. Yeah. Okay, so we have the technical name, the category, and now we're talking about the required product. In order to see the required product, we will have to go to the app again. So let me open another tab. This is for seeing the app. So you can go to the application we want, and now in the technical data, you will see it's depending on the base, which is every app is depend on the base, but it requires the portal. This is important because the portal will be needed for some functionality like for the customer or supplier to see the contract. So portal is important. So let's say I copy this one. So I go to here, and this required product is the portal. So as you can see here, we don't have the portal in the system. We can choose to create the new portal product, or we may not necessary to have it. the portal product is under the website, so we can maybe require the website. Yeah. Okay. So when we select the contract, it will automatically select the website app to be installed, and that is, and also yes, of course, it will be installing the portal. Let's see if anything we need. It's a product, and oh, this is very important. It's account. Okay, we need to depend on the account. So back to the app, we go account. The accounts app is actually the invoicing app. I can show you. Sorry, I can show you. This invoicing app is actually the technical name is account. Okay. So let I think this is enough for the dependency. And here is the pricing. So we can name it some pricing. Let's say $5. And the last step is we need to public it. If we not public it, it will not show in the pricing. So let me back to the pricing here. I'm refresh this first. So you can see here in the accounting category, we don't see the contract management app that we want to install. So this is some of the confusion maybe you have. So here we will have to public it. So we go to this and public it. So in order to for the app to appear in the pricing, you need to turn it like public. So you see here, when you have the app public, you will have it here. So when you select this one, see, we have 4 apps is required. One of them is a website, is the other is the invoicing, and you can see here we have a chain of requirement dependency here. For example, you can see the invoicing app is actually need the discard app, and that is so multiple app is related to also dependent on this app. So you can see, so in order for the contract management app is installed, we need 4 app in total. So that is how we define a new app on our system. That way we can define multiple and any other app that you may want. Thank you for interacting in this amazing SaaS feature. And if you have question, that put a comment in below this video. I will try to answer it all. Thank you.